Hello and welcome to Tech Ocean Barbecue. I remember in a later video I bought a Weber Jumbo Joe and I modified it and put a thermometer on there. But then I looked at the fact they got an SNS grill, exactly the same as that, but it's got the Easy Clean at the bottom. And these Jumbo Joes don't come with it, they just come with an all like daisy vent at the bottom. So I bought myself the bits to put one on there and realised that it's going to be too big, so I've got some tin snips and I've also got a handle to go on there as well, and got myself a drill for metal. So let's get this done. Right, so let's get this open. Take the lid off, I'm not going to need that yet. And take that off. Oh yeah, I also bought an SNS drip tray for when I'm doing things like burgers and stuff to keep it clean. Take that out. So what I'm going to have to do now, I'm going to have to take these legs off again so I can get there and drill into the bottom. So that's off. I'll probably just put that in the recycling bin. First things first, let's drill the hole. Right, there's the hole done. Now what I need to do now is I'm going to have to put all this together now and see how much I need to cut off. Right, so as you can see, I'm going to have to cut quite a bit off. So I think I'm going to need it about here on both sides. But just where this ridge is here. Right, now I've got the little marks to cut them off. I'll just do a little pinch here. Good thing about it, it's aluminium, so it will cut very easily. Cut along there. Three. That's that bit done. Now let's marry it up on the bowl and then go from there. So as you can see, we're just about right there once it's down, and then as you see in most Webers, it'll go around like that. So now what I want to do, I want to shape these so they're a bit more round. There we go. It's not perfect, homemade, so I'm not that fussed. I mean, I'll give it a little bit of a level out, but as long as it does what I want it to do, it's fine. I have got some extra ones. I did buy two just in case I buggered this one up. But yeah, we'll do all these, get it on there and see how it goes. So that's all three of them together. Not perfect. I'm not a perfect skilled man when it comes to DIY stuff, but I like to put my hand to things. So there we go. I'm going to go and get a file and just file these off so they're not so sharp. Here you go. I've got myself a file. I've cleaned up the edges a little bit, and now we're just going to stick it on. need to get this in there. So on this side, there's a little ridge for that. I don't know if you can see it, that little bit go on there. So you want that to go in first. Oh, myself again. There you go. Now, have an easy clean. What I might do is bend these a bit more. And there you go. It's as I say, it's not perfect, but the actual holes, if I turn this, are actually here. So as long as this kicks out any ash, I'll be happy. It's lifting a little bit on here. I've tried bashing it with a little hammer as well, which I'll adjust a bit every now and then as I go along. But yeah, it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be, but we're getting there. I just need to turn these a bit more. I haven't really got the best tools to use, but just using a pair of pliers after getting this out, just like bending it slightly. But yeah, just trying to get these just so they go down a bit more. But there you go, I'll carry on and see if I can get this to work. Alright, now I've got it to how I kind of want it. I'm now just going to put the legs on. But it's never going to be perfect, but at least when I'm using it, I can kick out the ash for a few swear words thrown about, and yeah, having a bit of a bash with a little hammer. It's finally on there. Not perfect. I never say this is perfect, but it's still going to do the job that I want it to do. It's going to cut off some air, and yeah, you got some gaps here, but what I'm going to be using this mostly for is grilling anyway, so perfect what I want really. I just want to be able to kick all the ash out, and I'm quite happy with that. If you liked this video and you thought it gave you something useful for if you want to try this, I mean, I'm no metal worker or anything like that. I'm just literally working off tools I've just bought off the net, and hey presto, I've not done a perfect job, but it's good enough for me. What I'm going to be doing next, I'm not going to film it. I'm going to be putting these handles on the lid bit. You don't really need to see that. So yeah, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and give it a like, and even hitting the notification bell will let you know when I next upload a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.